While he was still far away, his father saw him. This means the father had been watching, waiting, and hoping. Instead of turning away or standing still, the father ran toward his son. In that time, older men did not run. It was considered undignified. But love pushed the father past social rules. He ran, embraced his son, and kissed him. The son began to speak. He said,
"Father, I have sinned against heaven and before you. I'm not worthy to be called your son."
But before he could finish, the father interrupted him. The father called out to his servants and said, "Quick, bring the best robe and put it on him. Put a ring on his finger and sandals on his feet." These were signs of honor, belonging, and full restoration. Then the father said,
"Prepare the fat cow and let's rejoice, for this my child was lost and is found."
Why? Because, as the father said, "My son was dead and is alive again. He was lost and is found." And so, the celebration began. But the story does not end there.